morning, student. Today let us begin the new chapter, chapter number 6, linear inequality. In our earlier classes we learn about the linear equation. For example, if there is given 3x plus 5 equal to 10, or we can write here 11. Okay, so this is called linear equation. Why it is equation? Because there is a equal to sign, that's why it is called equation. And why it is linear? Because the highest power of the variable is 1, that's why it is called linear equation. This equation is called linear equation. Let's take some more example. If it is given ax plus b equal to 0, this is also linear equation. Why? Because there is a highest degree of the variable x is 1. Suppose it is given ax square plus bx or plus c equal to 0. This is called quadratic equation. Or it is given 2x square plus 5x equal to 7. This is also called the quadratic equation. Or if it is given 2x cube 3x cube plus 5x equal to 7. This will be what? Cubic equation, because highest degree is 3. Okay, but we are going to learn here about the linear inequality. So first we will understand what is an inequality. So two real numbers, or we can say that algebraic expression also, algebraic expression, which relates by the symbols less than, greater than, or less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to. Okay, forms inequality. And we know about the linear because the highest power of the variable is 1. That's why it will be linear inequality, where in inequality instead of equation equal to sign there will be use any one of the symbol. For example, if it is given 3x plus 5 equal to 7, so this is called equation. But here if it is given greater than or equal to symbol or greater than symbol, so you can say that it will not be linear equation, it will be linear inequality. Or if it is given 3x is less than 2, so this will be what? Linear inequality. Okay. Or if it is given 5x plus 7 is less than or equal to 10, so this is called also linear inequality. Or we can write it 7x plus 5 is greater than or equal to 3 or 30, so this is called also linear inequality. There are two types of inequality. One is strict inequality, okay, and another is slack. Okay, so strict inequality means where only less than symbol or greater than symbol is given. Always symbol we will represent by left to right. Okay, this will relate from left to right, means if left and right if you compare, suppose 2 and 5, if you are comparing 2 with the 5, so we will use less than symbol. Okay, if you are comparing 5 with the 1, so we will use greater than symbol, because left side number is greater than right side number. Okay, so always we will relate left to right. So this in strict inequality there will be only less than or greater than these symbols. If in inequality if there is this type of symbol, so it is called strict inequality. And where the both is given, means with the less than, there is equal to sign also is given. Okay, that may be this value of this, it shows that the value of this will be less than 10 or it will be equal to 10 also. It may be equal to 10 also. So these both both the result will represent here. Means it may be, means it is not confirmed. It may be equal to or it may be less than. Okay. So such expression or such inequality are called the, where less than or equal to or greater than or equal to is used. Such type of expression inequality is called slack inequality. Okay. So let's learn about the rules of the linear inequality. So let us take one example. Suppose 2 and here 5. This is given, and suppose we use here which symbol this will compare. Suppose so 2 is less than 5 will say. Okay. So we will use this symbol, less than 5. This is bigger, this is small. So we will use this symbol. Okay. Now, if here, if we will add something, any value we can add or we can subtract any value. Suppose you add here 10 and this side also you will add 10. So you will get, still the result will be less than this. Means the first rule of the inequality is anything we can, any value we can add or subtract. Any positive value we can add or subtract. There will not be any changes of the symbol. Okay. But if we will multiply, our second point will be, first point is what? First rule is anything, any positive value or any value can be add or subtract. There will, we can subtract even. Suppose it is 2 and if suppose we will subtract 10 both sides, then also the result will be less only, less than only. Why? Because there is minus 8 and this will be minus 5. So still we can say that minus 8 is smaller than minus 5. So anything we can add or subtract, there is the first rule. Okay. Now if there is given this same only, if there is 2 and 5 only, we will take some this example only we will take. If suppose we will multiply by any positive number or if you divide by any positive number, then also there will not be any changes. This symbol will be same. For example, if we will add, if we will multiply by 3 and here also 5 into 3. So positive number I said, you can multiply or divide by any positive number. Okay. So if you will multiply or divide by any positive number, still result will be same, less than only. But if you will multiply, third rule, if you will multiply or divide by any negative number, okay, if you will multiply or divide by any negative number, then the sign, this symbol will be inverse. For example, if it is given 2 and 5 only, and if you will multiply by minus 5 or minus 10, okay, if you will multiply here by minus 10 and here also will multiply by minus 10, so you will get here minus 20 and here 5 tens are 50, minus 10, 50. Okay. Now tell me, still we will write this symbol only, minus 20 is less than minus 50? No, because if the value is bigger, negative value will be smaller, means this minus 50 will be smaller than minus 20, means minus 20 will be bigger. So that's why this symbol will be inverse. So whenever we will multiply or divide by negative sign, so the symbol will be reverse, means less than will become greater than or greater than will become less than. Okay. For example, let's take divide also. If it is given 10 and 50 is given, if we will divide by minus 10, so it will be what? Minus 10 upon 10 and this 50 upon minus 10. Okay. So this will be what? 1 and this will be what? Minus 5. So minus 1 and minus 5. Now you relate. Here minus 1 will be greater than minus 5, not less than minus 10. Okay. So here 10 was less than 50, but here when we will divide by negative value, so it will be greater than -5. So whenever multiply by negative or negative value both side, or divide by negative value both side, then the symbol will be reversed. Okay, let's start the exercise. Suppose first question of the exercise 6.1, exercise 6.1 we will see. First question we see. In this question we have to solve that 24x is less than 100 when there are given the two conditions. When x is natural numbers, x is an integer. So let's see. First we will simplify this. 24x is less than 100 is given. Okay. Now we will divide by this. So x is less than 100 by 24. You can do like that also, or you can, you know that by any value we can divide or multiply. Okay, by any positive value. So here 24x is less than 100 is given. So here we have to write x. We have to make x alone. So we have to remove that 24. 24 is in multiple. So we will divide by 24 both sides. Okay. So still the symbol will be less. Okay. Less than only. Okay. 24 will be cancelled. So x is less than. This will be what? 24 4s are 96. Okay. Now 4 will remain. Okay. 40 40. Decimal will write here. Now 24 ones are means 4.1 we got, suppose approximate we got x is less than 4 point something. Okay. Now you have to write first one is given x is a natural number. So x is a natural number which are less than 4.1. X is less than 100 upon 24, or we can write this, we can write 4.1 suppose. Okay. So x is a natural number which is less than 4.1. So which are the natural number which are less than 4.1? 4.1. It will be 1, because natural number will be complete number only. From the, it will begin from 1 to infinity. So but we have to take less than 4.1. So 1, 2, 3, and this 4 also will come, because 4 is also less than 4.1. Okay. So these are the natural number which are less than 4.1. Now we have to take x is an integer which is less than what? Less than 4.1. So integers means what? Negative as well as positive number, including 0, but complete number, whole number. Okay. So means less than 4.1 means what? Minus infinity to the number which will start from minus infinity to up to 4. Means we can write it this, we can write minus infinity. This why we will use this symbol? Because this will represent excluding this number. So minus infinity is not any number, that's why we will use this symbol. 2 will up to which number? We will take up to 4 only. 4 is also included, that's why we will write here close. Okay. So this will be the answer of this, and or you can write this way also, minus infinity, then okay, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and dash dash dash. Okay. And here 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This will be also, this type also we can do. So this symbol will represent the closed interval. Closed interval means it will be include this. Okay. So 4.1 less than 4.1 we have taken, so that's why 4 will also come in this. Okay. Or we can write 4.1, but integer we have to write, so we'll write this one. Okay.